Hey guys, hope you've been keeping well. Welcome to another Frontier Indica video. So today the focus of our discussion will be the establishment right wing, which roughly speaking encompasses the ruling BJP, Hindutva entities directly associated with them, and the media or PR ecosystem backing them, which has rapidly emerged over the last couple of years. Constructive criticism of the establishment right is extremely important if in the long term we are to avoid complacency and compromise, which are problems that are bound to set in if the only criticism they get is from the loony left. Now moving on to the main body of our discussion, the one common theme which can best describe the underlying problem with nearly all key policy making under the BJP is incrementalism. The party often does too little too late. It is either unwilling or simply unable to deliver with the sense of urgency that many critical issues require. One important example of this is demographics. It is common knowledge that the population growth of Muslims in this country has been higher than that of Hindus since time immemorial, barring a brief period of exceptional migration which took place during the partition. The establishment right has done absolutely nothing to revitalize natalism among the Hindus whose fertility rate is already likely in the sub-replacement territory. Instead, the party and its vocal influencer network make busy by perpetually signaling that all thanks to them, Hindu assertiveness is on the rise, but they never mention that practically speaking that has had almost zero effect on critical issues like demographics, which matter the most in the long run. Similarly, even when it comes to the state overstepping its bounds in the cultural and economic domains, you can see that the ruling party has been very slow to take any practical steps. In the former, we all know what a complete mockery of any true secular principles, government control of temples and exploitation of their resources is. Yet, the centre has shown no initiative to end this grotesque injustice and continues to merrily dole out subsidies for religious pilgrimage. In the economic sphere, incrementalism again seems to have been the war cry of the government. When it comes to disinvesting in public sector undertakings, many of which our babus have meticulously run into the ground, the process has been very slow, filled with roadblocks and half measures like selling the government's share in a PSU to another PSU. And although a mega disinvestment plan was announced a couple of months back amidst a slowing economy, it remains to be seen if substantial privatization really occurs due to this plan or if the target will again be missed. Last but not the least, apart from the incrementalism argument, there's an issue with just how reliant on reactionary politics the establishment right is. Everything is just a response to some new argument or new action by leftists or Islamists, as if they're always playing catch up with these guys. It's like, oh look how backward and insane these feudal Sharia rules are. Well, that's certainly true, but will you always just tell us how insane the Islamist position is, or will you also ever try to explain the merits of traditionalism vis-a-vis our own culture? When you have no fresh ideas and a minuscule intellectual class of your own, then why are you surprised when you keep losing the culture wars to Marxists and Islamists? Because honestly, at the end of the day, are you even trying? With that, we'll draw things to a close, guys. Hope you liked this video. Do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're going to have many more high quality discussions in the future.